So for this episode, we're going to get the van out, the XC out, and give them both a wash. Oh. What we got here is a set of aluminium heads from AFD in Victoria. These are going to go onto a 408 stroker. So we've got the heads, which should be in the white box, manifold, cam and pushrod guides in this one. So let's have a look. Very pretty. So these are pushrod guides. So the manifold is a 3V manifold, which is being ported very nicely. So on top of here, it would have a 1-inch spacer, then a nitrous plate, and then a 1050 double pumper. So before I bolt it all on the engine, I'm going to send it out and get it professionally cleaned and then powder coated in clear so it doesn't get stained with fuel or oil or lubricants like that. So the cam is a custom ground cam for this setup, so it will be lumpy. So if anyone wants to look at the cam specs, here they are. It is hydraulic roller cam. So yeah. So the heads are aluminium, a lot lighter than the cast iron ones that the stock Clevelands run. So it is an AFD 3V C3 head that they do. It has a 68cc chamber volume. Intake volume is 225cc. So, and that's the valve sizes and angles and everything else. They are very nice. So double triple valve springs. So you can see just 3 different springs per valve. Exhaust hasn't been ported, but the inlet, I'll put it down, is raised, more raised compared to the old style. So you're just seeing there, it's been ported. So the heads have been ported to the manifold. So, and then push rods are being clearanced as well for bigger push rods. So these will be held down by ARP head studs, which I've got stashed away. And then atop of that would have, I'm not sure, some aftermarket rocker covers. So we got this block on this little stand. This isn't the block that I'll be using. I'll show you that block later on. So this is what it will look like, minus the blue block. So the block will be black on the other one. So it will sit very high in the engine bay. So like I would have to take the scoop off the Falcon so the air cleaner can come out of the bonnet. The block will be grout filled with Moroso grout filler. It would also have, I'm thinking about getting a Pavtec crank girdle for it one day, so it can all strengthen all the bottom end up with ARP main studs as well. So I have to slowly get everything, but the next biggest thing to get is the 408 Stroker kit. Anyone's wondering what's under the tarp, it's a Turnham race car. I'll make a video about this some stage down the track. I'll also have some racing footage in that video as well. So we're ready to get her out to clean it. So we've got one bucket to clean her with and then one bucket to rinse the sponge out with. Bloody heavy thing. Come on. Hey puppies. Just finished putting her away and put the car cover on. As you can see, she's all undercover. If you liked what you saw today, like, dislike, anything you want to do, subscribe.